This is all Kyle's mom's fault. Shut up, Cartman. Kyle's mom is the one that started that damn club, and all because she's a big, fat, stupid bitch. Don't say it, Cartman. Well... Don't do it, Cartman. Well... I'm warning you. Okay. I'm getting pretty sick of him calling my mom. Well, Kyle's mom's a bitch. She's a big, fat bitch. She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and there was a bitch. She's a bitch to all the boys and girls. Shut your fucking mouth, Cartman. On Monday she's a bitch, on Tuesday she's a bitch, and Wednesday to Saturday she's a bitch. Then on Sunday just to be different, she's a super king, Kamehameha, bitch. Come on, you all know the words. Have you ever met my friend Kyle's mom? She's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. To me, no bitch, and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 she's a stupid bitch. Kyle's mom's a bitch, and she's just a dirty bitch. Talk to kids around the world, it might go a little bit something like this.
Mama, you have met my friend Kyle's mom, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a mean old bitch, and she has stupid hair. She's a bitch, 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 she's a stupid bitch. Kyle's mom's a bitch, and she's just a dirty bitch. I really mean it, Kyle's mom. She's a big, fat, big old fat fucking bitch, Kyle's mom, yeah. What?